So this first program has a start and an end. The start is -4 and the end is 3. So it's going to try to print each and every number between -4 and 3 that doesn't include anything lower than 0 or negatives. So it only includes positive numbers. So for I in range start to n plus 1, so it includes the end. It makes it so it goes from -4 to 3, and I will go through each of those numbers. So if I is bigger or equal to 0, then I'll print it, printing the things that are bigger than aka 0, aka a positive number. But if it's lower, that means it's a negative number, so I won't print it. The test to prove that works: 0, 1, 2, 3. No negatives, just positives. So that's all the positives between -4 and 3. So for example, if we make the -4 to 4, it will print 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, because now there's one more positive number to print. So now the next program, there's an array of random numbers, and you want to print the biggest number. So the number tracker will be x, and then I will go through the array of all these numbers. So if x is smaller than if I is bigger than x, then that means that's a bigger number than whatever number that used to be the biggest. So it'll make that smaller number that used to be the biggest not the biggest number. So if something is smaller than that, it won't change the number. So it'll go, okay, 1, that's bigger than 0, so I'll do it. Okay, 2, that's bigger than 0. 2, that's bigger than 1, and then -1 is not bigger than 2, so it won't change 2 to -1. Just 7 is bigger than 2, so it'll change 2 to 7. So now x is now 7 because that's the current biggest number so far. So then it'll see 0, but because that's lower than 7, x won't change, and then it'll see 9, that's bigger than 7, so it'll change it. Just 8 is smaller, so it won't. 8 is smaller than 9, so it won't change it. So that will do 9 because that's the biggest number in the array. So that's n.